Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another session in the Quranic Arabic Simplified language course. I'm Afifa and today we are on lesson number 22, which will focus on Quran practice for you to understand the possessive constructions. We have been on this topic of possessive structure called idafa in Arabic from lesson 19, 20 and 21. Instead of overwhelming you with too much information in one video, my strategy is to build on your knowledge little by little. This is why I'm doing several lessons on the Arabic idafa structure. This is a very important topic to understand the Quran. So please find any videos that you have missed by watching the playlists Quranic Arabic Simplified or Madinah Arabic Shortened. Please comment and share the videos to spread knowledge and to give barakah to this channel. Let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So now we are talking about possessive constructions. Possession between two nouns is indicated by a special construction called the al-idafa. In this construction, the al or the tanween of the first noun is removed and the second noun is put into the genitive case. For example, kitabul waladi, book of the boy. We observe here that kitabu is definite by its position, even though it does not have the al marker here because it is definite by position. But the mudaf ilayhi is going to have the al and it shows the genitive case with this kasra ending. So if I want to say the woman's story or the story of the woman, how do I say that in Arabic? So first, the terminology or the vocabulary for story is qissatu and al-imra'atu means woman, the woman. So I will say qissatul imra'ati. Okay, so here this is mudaf, qissatu, story, and the imra'ati is majroor with a kasra because it is mudaf ilayhi. So we say qissatul imra'ati. So here is a small test for you. Please try to identify the mudaf and mudaf ilayhi from these verses, and we have done these together before. So this should be a good opportunity for you to try this on your own. So please pause the video, try it, and then let's go over it together. Okay, so in the first verse, where is the mudaf and mudaf ilayhi? It is Rabbin Nas, Lord of mankind. In the next verse, it is Nasrullahi, help of Allah. And in this verse, it is Laylatul Qadri is the first mudaf ilayhi, right? And the verse says Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahrin. It means the night of power is better than 1,000 months, right? So the second idafa is right here. Alfi shahrin, right? So alf is 1,000 and shahrin is months. Okay, and notice here because it's preceded by min, the mudaf here is majroor. So that's why it's alfi. Okay, and then shahrin. Shahrin is mudaf ilayhi and that's why it is majroor. Okay, and in this one, in the last verse also we have done together. Where is the mudaf ilayhi? It is Rabbis samawati, right? It is Lord of the universe. Okay, so here are some more examples for you to try on your own. Please pause this video and try to identify the mudaf and the mudaf ilayhi on your own, and then let's get back together and review them together. So what's the first one that you found? It is fadlillahi. It is the grace of Allah. So the first term here is fadl, right, which is the mudaf. Okay, so it is fadlillahi, grace of Allah. So what is the next one? It is adabul hariqi. right? Which is the torment of fire. Here, adab is the mudaf, it means punishment, and al-hariqi is the fire. Okay, it is majroor and it is the mudaf ilayhi. So for the next verse, it is ashabun nari, the people of the hell. So ashabu means people, and it can also mean companions. So, and the next term is in the majroor case, which is the mudaf ilayhi, which is an-nari. Okay, and the final one here is nurus samawati. It is light of the heavens. So here nuru is the mudaf and as-samawati is the mudaf ilayhi. So again, please pause the video and try to identify the mudaf and mudaf ilayhi from these verses that are shown here. Okay, and then we can go over them together. So the first one, the mudaf and mudaf ilayhi is yawmul khuruji. It means the day of the exit or the day of the coming out from the graves, referring to the graves. Here, yawmu is mudaf and al-khuruji is the coming out or exit, and this is the mudaf ilayhi and it is majroor. The next one you have seen before, it is naqatullahi. It is the she camel of Allah, right? Okay, and the next one is ibnullahi. It means son of Allah. Na'udhu billah. This is referring to what the Christians are saying. Okay, so ibnu is the mudaf and Allahi is the mudaf ilayhi. And the final one here is, what is it? It is darus salami. It means the home of safety. So daru means home, the mudaf, and as-salami is the mudaf ilayhi. It is majroor with this kasra, which means safety, right? Home of safety. So here is a small test for you. Please pause the video and try to identify the mudaf and mudaf ilayhi from these verses shown here. And then we're going to go over them together. Okay, so what's the first one here? It is ardullahi, the Allah's earth or the earth of Allah. Ardu means earth and Allahi. So it is the earth of Allah. So the next one is very straightforward. Rasulullahi, messenger of Allah. So the next one is ayatullahi. It is the verses or the signs of Allah. And the next one is Daris Salami. It is the home of peace, and may Allah grant us this home of peace in the hereafter, inshallah. So dar means home and as-salami is peace. Okay, and we notice that before the dar it is preceded by ila. Ila is a preposition which means to or towards. That's the reason why it is dari with the kasra. So here dar is the mudaf, but it bears the kasra because of the preposition ila that precedes it. Okay, and as-salami is mudaf ilayhi and it shows its kasra. And the next one is wa'adallahi haqqun. It's very beautiful. The promise of Allah is true, right? So wa'ada is the mudaf and Allahi over here is the mudaf ilayhi. Okay, and wa'ada is showing a fatha here. It is showing a fatha. The mudaf is mansub here. Why? Because the inna came. Inna is a particle, inshallah, we will study in the future. It means surely, it gives some emphasis, but it makes the noun after it mansub. And inshallah, that is future lesson. But for now, it is enough to understand that the mudaf can also bear either, it can be marfu, mansub, or majroor based on the sentence. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. سبحانك وبحمدك لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.